Welcome to Future Vision, the first volume of a trend and color forecasting presentation from Fletcher Building Laminates and Panels Group, created by the global design team from Formica Group and Laminix. One of the largest surfacing producers in the world, Fletcher Building is expert in all things color and construction material. With a passion and sixth sense for what's next, our global design team is committed to anticipating our customers' future needs. Now I will introduce you to our forecast for 2016 and beyond. We begin with personal sanctuary. Today's world is unending turbulence, in which personal space and time is more and more limited. We are seeking places of refuge and comfort, and look to build more emotional connections with everyday objects and procedures. Personal sanctuary responds to concerns surrounding overcrowded cities and transitioning populations. It's a story about creating a moment of calm amidst the urban chaos, like with these beautiful felt cocoons called Hush by Freya Sewell. Designers are exploring ideas of privacy within public areas and reassess use of space in our shrinking domestic interiors. Timelessness, quality, and the gentle personal luxury are key to personal sanctuary. Let's see what this looks like. In essence, the story has a calm palette with a mix of saturated colors like Navara, the full-bodied burgundy red, and denim, a perfect representation of a jeans blue. All that balanced with tinted grays like the blue-tinted fossil and the new winter sky or stone color. And then, really important, new metallics. Brass follows the fashionable gold. Aged nickel is a new proposal inspired by the ongoing warming of the metal color palette, of which the rise of copper was an impressive example. These metallics are used as an accent color and add personality to interiors. Materials in personal sanctuary are pure and translucent elements. Their finely crafted materiality looks to build greater emotional connections between user and object. The first is all about metals and metallic finishes. Whether using the raw metal or replicating metallic finish, patina created by the aging process is key, a story of passing time. High shine metal surfaces are left untreated to collect marks through use. This not only strengthens the object's unique narrative, it builds an emotional link between the user and object and elevates the everyday ordinary to the extraordinary. Each piece of Daniel Schofield's tarnish collection is mirror polished, then left half unlacquered. Over time and with use, the untreated half will begin to tarnish, mainly from the natural oils secreted from the skin. The more they are used, the stronger the tarnishing becomes, thus creating a patina and story unique to the user of the piece. Transparency is the second key story. Transitional elements made from frosted and semi-transparent materials are used in interiors to build private spaces within larger communal areas. The Well Light by Maid Studio, on the upper left, goes from clear to sanded matte by unwinding the rope. In product, ultralight frameworks and mesh materials create a barely there aesthetic that helps to reduce visual noise. Referring back to some of the ideas we discussed in our trend drivers, we notice technology becoming more integrated into our environment. Translucent materials are cleverly used to help technology blend into the background, like for example the honeycomb structure in Bowers & Wilkins Bluetooth speakers on the bottom right. Our final material story for personal sanctuary is talking about a truth to materials and fine detailing. Soft textures and smooth finishes create a comforting tactility that invites touch and interaction. Hard surfaces such as ceramics and wood mimic softer materials, like the image on the upper right, that is Martin Asua's ceramic vases that do look like felt. Wood does remain an essential material. Soft-colored monochromatic timber is waxed with a matte silk finish, creating a minimalistic and the very popular Scandinavian feel. Now a few real-life examples where this theme is already being picked up by so-called early adopters. Paris-based Agence Chouin-Mancou has redesigned Abbey de Fontevraud Hotel with a neutral palette to create quiet resting places that reference the monastic history of the building. Reducing visual clutter with clever integrated technology, touchscreen tabletops and tablets are built into the furniture in the main communal areas. Russian-based Proc is a clever collection of mix and match wall panels with integrated shelves, niches, switches and sockets. Swedish design studio Note has created Focus, a space-dividing table screen in textile that helps define your personal space within a shared public space. The flexible construction allows the screen to take any shape needed. It can easily be folded and transported. Thank you for your attention. We hope you enjoyed it and you join us as we enter into a colorful future.